Okay, boys and girls, we are going to round the number 25,315 to the nearest tens, the nearest hundreds, the nearest thousands, and the nearest 10,000s place. We're going to start with rounding it to the nearest tens place. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to write 25,315. Now, we are going to round to the nearest tens place, so we're going to go next door. And remember our saying, 4 or less, let it rest. 5 or more, up the score. So since it's a 5, we're going to up the score and round up. So our new number would be 25,300, and since we're rounding up, it would be 20. So I need you to write 25,320. Now we are going to round 25,315 to the nearest hundreds place. So we're going to write hundreds. 25,315. So since we are rounding to the nearest hundreds place, we go next door, and 4 or less, let it rest. 5 or more, up the score. So since 1 is less than 4, we're going to round down. So our new number would be 25,300. So you would go to your hundreds box and you would write 25,300. Now we are going to round to the nearest thousands place. 25,315. We are going to round to the nearest thousands place. So now we are going to look next door at this 3. 4 or less, let it rest. 5 or more, up the score. 3 is less than 4, so our new number would be 25,000 because our 3 would go down. Now we are going to round to the nearest 10,000s place. 25,315. So we are going to try to round our 2. We look next door to the 5. 4 or less, let it rest. 5 or more, up the score. So we would round the 2 up since we are upping the score. Since 5, you go higher. Correct? So our new number would be 30,000. Don't forget to write in your answers, boys and girls. So we forgot to write 25,000 and 30,000. Now you're going to practice this by yourself on the next slide.